This is a rolling knife sharpener with 5 different angles from Onyx Core. And Onyx Core sent this to me to try it out. And I'm a big fan. I think this is an awesome sharpening system. Let me show you what it comes with. It comes with safety gloves. These are fantastic. These say they're rated for cut level 5. So nice protective gloves you can wear while you're sharpening. And then it comes with this base, and you can see it has different angles in the base. So you set this on your counter, you clip your knife to it, and it'll hold it at that angle for you. Then it comes with the rolling sharpener. It spins freely so you can roll it on the counter. And it comes with 4 discs, 2 diamond discs in a 400 grit and 1000 grit, and then 2 ceramic discs in a 1000 grit and a 3000 grit. So all you're gonna do is you're just gonna put this on the counter, clip your knife to it, and then you're just gonna take the sharpener and roll it along the knife, and you just get an awesome edge on your knife every time. I'm a big fan of this. It makes it super easy to keep your knife sharp. So I want to say thank you to the brand one more time for sending this to me to try. Really big fan of this, great job on this, and I would highly recommend it.